തെൻസാരി അനസൂയ സീതാക്ക തെലങ്കാനയുടെ ഗ്രാമീണ വഴികളിൽ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ രാഷ്ട്രീയ വർത്തമാനത്തിലേക്ക് കരുത്തുള്ള ഉരുക്ക് വനിതയായി പ്രോജ്വലിച്ച പെൺകരുത്ത് തെലങ്കാന സ്റ്റേറ്റ് വനിതാ ശിശുക്ഷേമ വകുപ്പ് മന്ത്രി അൻസാരി അനസൂയ സീതാക്ക ഈ മഹാറാണിയെ അഭിവാദ്യം ചെയ്യുന്നു.
A warm evening to all my Kerala brothers and sisters, respected our IUML party and leaders, our Panakkad Syed Sadikal Saheb Tangal sir and Krishna Beregowda and our Kadar Moinuddin Saheb ji and E.T. Mohammad Bashir MPG and Panakkad Syed Absali Shihab Tangalji and P.V. Abdul Wahab MPG, MP Abdul Samad Samdani MPG and M.K. Munir MLAG and P.A. Majid MLAG, Panakkad Syed Munawar Ali Shihab Tangalji and all our leaders. Sorry, it is any names mistakes. My brothers and sisters, this is second opportunity I get from our party. Today we are here today because the Work Amendment Bill 2025 is brought by the fascist BJP and RSS regime. Is not just an anti-Muslim bill. It is anti-constitution. It is anti-democracy. It is anti-India. That's why we are all together fight this Modi fascist policies. This bill is direct insult on all the soul of our nation, the Constitution of India, the very fabric woven by Mahabharat Sahib, a fabric stitched with the values of equality, federalism, religious freedom and minority rights. BJP RSS does not really have the concept of called one nation, one India, but one for all for one. The BJP claims this amendment is meant to streamline the work boards, but let us be honest, this is not reform, this is revenge. Revenge for our diversity, revenge for our unity, revenge for standing up against their hate. Let us tell you what this bill really does. With a single stroke, they are trying to bulldoze decades of our tradition, law and religious freedom. Article 14 says equal rights before law. It is destroyed from this BJP party. Article 25 and 26, it is saying freedom for religion but undermined. Article 29-30, rights for minorities to conserve culture, manage their institutions, trampled. Article 246, the spirit of federalism hijacked. The BJP RSS governments talk about efficiency and streamlining, but what they are doing is systematic disempowerment of Muslim institutions. They want dilute the power of Waqf board. They want remove the protection from encroachments on Waqf board land. Let state government officers unilaterally declare Waqf properties government lands. They now want to include non-Muslim members in Muslim religion board. It is not correct. We have separate beliefs. Several religions here, Hindu, Muslim, Christians, they are their own religion, their own faith, trust, custodies. customs, different. But BJP encouraging, entering personal customs and traditions and destroying all our personal beliefs and lives also. This is not a administration. This is a dictatorship of Modi. This is disrespect. This is polarization. What is their hidden agenda? They want our lands. They grab our lands. That is truth. Your masjids, your madrasas, your hospitals, your schools, institutions built by the community for the community can now be taken away overnight. And as if this was not enough, the BJP wants abolish the centuries of old principles of work board usage, where land continuously used for community welfare automatically becomes work board. This is not just about Muslims. This is about every Indian who believes in justice. This is about the constitution, about our democratic federalism, about respecting all communities and faiths. This bill violates judicial findings. It ignores parliamentary procedure. A 428-page JPC report was bulldozed through without any class by class discussion. What they are afraid of the truth. My dear brothers and sisters, don't let anyone tell you this is just a Muslim issue. Today it is work board. Tomorrow it will take temple trust, and day after tomorrow it will encroach churches lands also. Other and tribal lands, Dalits land, that will come day by day. BJP doing like that implementations. So speak against them. This is about control of land, control of institution, control of your voice, and that is why we will not remain silent. As the Adivasi daughter, we are all fight against this fascism, and we stop the dividing and rule policies. We know Modi want Muslim friends out of state, other states, because of business. In this country, here he is dividing rule for he want votes, majority people votes. If we question his dictatorship, he sent ED and CBI to our homes. You know, recently our leader Rahul Gandhi is fighting for nation. He work for nation. He trying to give strength for poor people, but he facing so many cases from BJP party. This is their policies. So we are all together stand here and fight against the fascism policies. Thank you, Anandala.